yakni benta Jong kubor la OneRasP daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kameglia Board of School Education henne ka arpotrik unaitung kala Pynbna ya ka result Jong ka matrik ne ka Sslc examination. Haba phai sya ki regular candidate ka result mentau snem ka khamha namar baklapoi sya ka nyopsan na ka sispa ki papas ka ne ka exam bat la khin ka lumlang bat ki private candidate ka jingpoi ka pass percentage ka long san pho poi nai phuwei na ka sispa. Ya ka kerdan bah khli do jong ni ka exam la yo da ka chitna bos jong ka Sherwood school tura bat ka long ru ka bas ngotenat ba ki khna khasi ki la bon bah ki la rung sha ka thop top 20 namar ki dan hadu arpu armut ki khna khasi ki la rung sha ka thop top 20 RiKhasi channel kala yo banyak ren bat ki katto kat ni ki khna ki bla wan shakhmat ha ka ni ka exam bat kita ki long usai nawa modak jong ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School Shillong ublawan hakran ka baat ka ainam da phisisha pi bersat jong ka Little Flower School Shillong ka balawan hakran ka balai udalang kiso mirthong jong ka Mairang Presbyterian Higher Secondary School ublawan hakran ka basan bat uribat phawa jong ka Ram Krishna Mission Higher Secondary School Sora bat udairu usamla ublawan simbenta ya ka Science Exhibition bat uni uwan hakran ka bakhat ar bat kini barok sangut kilapan pau ya ka jengkemen ya ka jengpas bah ka jongkim.
And I feel privileged because I think God has blessed me and my hard work is paid off. I would like to thank my mother, my father, my brother, and of course the teachers, the principal, and the entire school. They've backed me out throughout my endeavor, and I'm extremely happy today.
I'm so very happy and so honored that I achieved this much. And like you said, it's not about going to those elite schools, but it's the sincerity, the dedication, the hard work, and the teachers. The teachers are like the main part of the school, and your success also depends on them. And here in LFS we have such amazing teachers who together work hard, and they're a team. They're not just individually, but they work hard as a team. And that's why we can bring out such amazing results. And yeah, it all depends on the hard work and the time that you give to your studies.
Ningkong ngai burong ni ublay yang tani jingok but ngadap dari semua keman ke bakrau bangayo ya uso ubang aku brem namsin mga modern ne ba juru ya ki kini pa gizona ki ba laila meti ba senang ba itu nga na way force termaki nga hai nga brem la na poi sido ini pam de ki principal gizona isa si warjini bat kini kai ibran betalam bat kini yo jangan uso termaki ru sini mla hai ban poi sido ini uso ba kiam bagus kau jeni play uma yaki bahaya nasam badu para kelas kijana ki baju anisiam na way force wala busian na kamu beliau na kendo jinge yang puli kijana kendo ki parok kijana ki ju anisiam ngala balik ka ba dah jikot kijana puas kam na kita balik ini jinge marok dua lagi ini kijana yang matahi dengan betang ya jipu kijana ka science stream mat medan kijana ban lek kuliah kalian medical kabakat do kitu para kena puli kijana ba kimplestang bat makin dan kejingkut jingmat kelas kam ba jitrain minat la kita hanu kam hanu yang kendai bentuk mesin ba dia kenal you blame kau ba na dai tang ba ai kami kasap katalan ba bayar apa ni for kiba ni kendu iji ibu bintan
dah kelas nunggu ya beli celana pun tahu ba aku ya masuk sibune ya kini kai school kini punya school ini bahayang basem ikut pasien ratau tapi bahkan jangan kibalak perselu dengan aman kapor penganak bah ting pulis jangan asno mencibut bangalala mempoy akan diganti negara hakaswa jangan result jangan macam apa berkat lah bangal lah mempoy itu akan diganti oh ya kejengtu jangan ada dan ting yang kejeng pulis jangan ada pasien sains kino ki school CBSE kepada Meghalaya hi but ngatu balik bah kan macam sains Kawai hau senam balala hau ada kerkendai. La bikmat ya kajala ban sakhi ya kajingir penai jong setelah change tu. Ka tu belong tang kum kajing simbenta namar bangalong kumunong jok jong ka online space quiz ba belong da ka sarkar India rengkar kajing trilang bat ka isu mo. Ngas no komen sibun adu kata-kata ba nyo ya kene jinjok
Ka principal jong Little Flower School Shillong galapan pau ya kajing sngokmen baka ainam da pisi sha pi bersat kalawan ranam bat burom ya ka school bat kala ai khuble ya baro ki khna kani ka school halor kajing pas bha ka jong kim.
To God that He blessed this girl with good health, not only she, all the students. And then I'm very proud of our teachers who motivated her to excel in life. And the parents are there all the time. They come to school to find out about their daughter. And I think they took great interest in seeing that their daughter excels in life. So I'm very proud for all this team who worked hard in order to bring out good result. This is the first time that our school is getting third position in the state. So we had other position, but to the front, like fourth was the last one, but this third for the first time. So she has broken the record for the school, and we are very, very happy and elated.